Okay, skill number 4. Again, the top 10 skills you need to know as a Power Platform developer going into 2025. Skill number 4, security. You got to master security. I'm actually focused on security within SharePoint. Again, I'm biased. I leverage SharePoint a lot for data sources because I stay within the clients or the customers or the business subscription model. I'm not trying to create premium solutions for them to cost them money. Here's the deal. With security, understand what you're building as a user, as your end user. Sometimes you have to restrict them. They only can see the things that they created. They can see everything else, but only can edit the things that they created. Or you may have a bunch of data in the SharePoint list. Let's call it 25 columns. 10 of those columns are very sensitive. No one should be able to see those. Or you have to have a certain role in order to see those. How do you achieve that in SharePoint? Here's the other thing. Just because you hide and filter the data in Power Apps doesn't mean that the user cannot stumble across the actually backend list or stumble across the actual backend SharePoint library and be exposed to everything and have all that data at their fingertips. So you have to understand security at rest as well as how you're going to secure a filter once you're in Power Apps. These are patterns and practices you tend to define. And honestly, some of this is knowing, but most of this comes with experience. Or you're getting a training or something like that with someone with experience on doing or securing these types of applications. But this is a skill you absolutely must hone in on because these applications that we're creating are getting more sophisticated. These requirements are getting bigger and more complex. So security got to be top of mind. You got to have it nailed down. Again, I'm talking about SharePoint. You as well as you can do things at Dataverse, and actually with pro data sources, it tends to get easier because all that security is at rest. But you have to understand it. Stay skilled up, my friend.